Hello. Hi Pankaj Saini, Danish Chaudhary. Hello L-Boy, Navi Gill, Pritish Dubey. This is just a checking call. Guys, I hope you are all okay. We're going through some really disastrous times. But as you can see from my stories, this SOS work takes a lot of time. But बहुत सारी जानें भी बच रही हैं. दिन के 2-3 मैसेज आते हैं that people have been connected with, the things that they were looking for. I won't lie, I get many messages saying this also कि जिनके लिए मदद मांग रहे थे वो अब नहीं रहे. That's very 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 sad to hear. So yeah, I guess I'll try and be more regular so that I can make you guys laugh or something. Ketan Sondarva says, I say my name. This is Ketan. Hi, this is Ketan. Hi, Mitesh Rajani. Me too. Arif Rafa. It's just that I'm mentally preparing myself for something worse. It's good to be prepared. If we were all prepared for the second wave, we wouldn't be in this condition. I read in the paper today that we should be expecting a third wave. So here's the other thing, there are lots of vaccination resources now that are available. You can go and register yourself for vaccines if you're 18 plus. Soon it will become mandatory for people if you want to travel, etc. वैक्सीन की करंटली शॉर्टेज है, बट जिसको मिल रही हो वो लगा लो. ठाकुर गोविंद जार्डोन, आई होप आई सेड योर नेम करेक्टली. Without makeup, it's love to see you. Yeah, I tend to be pinkish. आपकी न्यू मूवी कौन सी है भाई? 2 मिनट के लिए मूवी भूल जाना यार. आ जाएगी मूवी, हमने शूट कर ली है, बहुत सारी फिल्म्स आ जाएंगी. अंकित गुप्ता, हैप्पी बर्थडे. जॉन वंशी, हाय. Hi, you and Ali make a lovely pair. Thank you. Recently, Ali lost his Nana. I had posted about it also. But then somebody else in his family was ill. So we immediately had to spring in action, at least on the phone. I was able to help him. He was also... So yeah, this is the reality right now of our country. Okay? You don't get time to grieve. मातम मनाने का भी टाइम नहीं है. लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं, मैयत से मैयत तक. इट्स क्वाइट सैड. की हाल सोनिया? कट बॉय सचिन शो. आई थिंक यू वांटेड टू नेम योरसेल्फ क्यूट बॉय. होप इंडिया गेट्स हेल्प. सेंडिंग prayers. Well, right now Indians are helping each other, helping themselves. That's amazing, guys. I also wanted to say something. We know it's a really sad time and a real time of conflict and of pain. But the good thing is that the things you keep reading in the papers. आज मैंने पढ़ा that there is a रिक्शा चालक. कहाँ से है पता नहीं. He has sold his wife's jewelry to convert his rickshaw into an ambulance, with oxygenated ambulance for COVID patients, because he realized what a shortage is happening right now. So these kind of stories really give me hope. We can all help each other, and really people who should ऐसे वक्त में एक दूसरे का साथ देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You should put all differences aside. I mean, think about it. More than any wars, more than any terrorist activity, more than anything that has happened to us since independence, more people are dying of corona. So, more than corona, they're dying of lack of oxygen, lack of ventilator beds, ICU beds. Hopefully this will make all of us realize that healthcare should be priority. It should be free for all. Hi Prathamesh. Hi Sai Tamhankar. Good to see you. I can't see you now, but I should also see you. It's लंबी है गम की शाम मगर शाम ही पर. बहुत खूब, सही कहा आपने, शाम ही है गाइस. बट छोटे छोटे नेटवर्क्स बनाइए. और एक और बात मैं कहना चाहती थी, मैं कुछ लोगों से टच में हूँ who are like engineers and people with a tech background and science. We are also trying to develop something to help the current crisis. It is a crisis, and hopefully I'll have something more to share there. We are trying to work on it ASAP because it is an urgent need. So yeah, if you are an engineer, you should DM me and we'll figure out what. Madam Chief Minister loved that film. Hi Rajat. I'm fan of you as a person. Alice Kharbanda. Thank you. Healthcare and education, so we don't elect jokers. ये वो तो क्या ही बोले हैं. Seriously. Where is your boyfriend? He is in his hometown. He has to be with his family right now. Reply कर दो मैम. Hello, Vikram Arya. You are my favorite actress. Period. Thank you so much. Richie Eckert says amplify. Amplify what? We have been amplifying SOS requests. I'm just trying to see if there is a. I know there's one organization in Delhi that has 15-20 volunteers that are regularly verifying leads for ICU beds and all in Delhi, but I'm not sure if we have someone like that here in Bombay. I'm in Bombay right now. My parents are in Delhi. I miss them. Post is shared in your inbox. Says I didn't see your name. I'm so sorry, but I'll check my inbox. Take me, looking nice. Should we do some calls with people? Let's do a call. How do you? I'm randomly going to pick somebody. How do you choose? Where is the thing? ये सारे वो आते हैं. हाँ. Found word on a blog. Oh, why can't I select anybody? It's a little bit hard to press something. Adi Mendirata. Hi. Nice to see you also. I sent a request to somebody. Happy. Code 133. Guys, this is a sign. We have to talk to Happy. I think he will bring us a lot of happiness. Happy कितने है तू? Happy भी happiness की तरह गायब हो गया. Anyway, cancelling that. So yeah, guys, this is all I wanted to say today. I'll try and keep a community going, whatever जो भी कर पा रहे हैं. About the science thing also I'll tell you soon. And this is an urgent message. Just do what you've been doing. Send in SOS, and I'll try and amplify it to the best of my abilities. Did you get vaccinated? No. I'm gonna try and register for it now. I'm trying to register for it. You know the website crashed yesterday, so the Covin website, Covin है ना? Covin vaccine website. Hope you are safe. I'm safe right now. I don't know. We're all safe. Just be nice to people. Yeah, you never know how when you might see somebody for the last time. I have no words for what is happening currently. अपना घर देखो. मैं समझी नहीं. अपना घर देखो. मैं तो रोज देखती हूँ. बोली पंजाबन. मैम एक्टर लोग हेल्प के लिए आगे क्यों नहीं आ रहे कोविड में? जो लोग सामने से नहीं आ रहे, आई रियली होप कि वो चुपचाप कुछ तो कर रहे हो, एटलीस्ट पेशेंट्स की फीस दे रहे हो या ऑक्सीजन या कॉन्टैक्ट्स यूज करके चीज़ें अवेलेबल करा रहे हो किसी की. तो आई एम श्योर पीपल आर डूइंग समथिंग, बिकॉज इट विल बी रियली like living in some bubble and being really inhuman if you can't help out. I see everybody now amplifying um, requests for beds, plasma, remdesivir. I actually want to do a live with a doctor where I can ask them कि ये जो myths हैं, जैसे common चीज़ें हैं, when remdesivir and the other Fabiflu, those दवाई, antibiotics, what should not be given. I want to do a live about that because there's a lot of misinformation floating around. A lot of SOS requests come from, hi, your voice is very clear. Is it not clear still? Shit, sorry. पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? बोलिए पंजाबन द बिग फैन. How are you? I love you, love you, love you guys. I don't know. Okay, I love all of you. मैं आपकी पिक्चर जरूर देखूंगा. पहले हम जिंदा रहेंगे, फिर हम पिक्चर देखेंगे. ओके? Favorite IPL team? यार I'm sorry, I know I did a show called Inside Edge and I know उसका season 3 भी आ रहा है, but मेरा दिमाग अभी क्रिकेट में नहीं चल रहा. I know it can be a stress buster for a lot of people. मैं तो नहीं देख पा रही इस बार. Sorry. You'll be back after in movies after Madam Chief Minister. Ujasvi currently we've shot some stuff, but we have to shoot more stuff. Only if we can shoot, then we can release something. And we're not being able to shoot because of the pandemic. We're proud of India. I'm proud of India. I'm really proud of Indians. Indians are rock stars. Indians helping each other. Some of you doing some amazing work. Really, it gives me a lot of heart. The lovely things I've been reading. कि एक आदमी ने इतने पैसे खर्च करके ऑक्सीजन रेगुलेटर्स मंगाए. Somebody did crowdfunding and got some from abroad. That रिक्शा वाला I was telling you about, जिसने अपनी वैन में ऑक्सीजन वो किया. कितने लोग निःशुल्क सेवा कर रहे हैं रिक्शे की. This I'm really really proud of Indians. It's because of Indians that I have hope. Because of ordinary people like you. 17-year-old, 16-year-old boys and girls who are sending me DMs for their neighbors saying हमें ये चाहिए, बेड चाहिए, उनको खाना चाहिए. People sitting at home and cooking nice meals for patients. People getting up at 5 a.m. just to cook for stray dogs. I know so many in this Yari Road, Versova area. It's Indians give me hope. What is India if not Indians? आपके लिप्स इतने रसीले क्यों हैं? हाँ यार तुम read the room, brother. Everyone trying to take advantage of the situation. That is true. और guys beware, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ फ्रॉड भी हो रहा है. आज ही सुचारिता ने कुछ डाला है that somebody took money for remdesivir and it didn't reach the patient. बहुत बद्दुआ लेके जाओगे जो भी ऐसा काम कर रहे हो. और you guys also be very careful. Things are being, people are charging exorbitantly because there is so much demand. This is what happens. शमशान घाट पे भी प्राइस डबल है, एम्बुलेंस का भी प्राइस डबल है. वैक्सीन की प्राइसिंग के बारे में तो क्या ही कहिए. मैडम नमस्ते, कुछ तो बोलिए हमसे. हाय शिवम, कैसे हो तुम? बोली जी. I was thinking the same. Do it with my elder brother. Who said that? मैच चल रहा है, अभी कोई फायदा नहीं है लाइफ का. I don't mind, buddy. You can watch the match. Do something like Sonu Sood. Sonu is amazing. He actually has a proper organization to do stuff. I'm also trying to do stuff at my level. Um, like I said, I'll soon give you some info about the. It's like a challenge that we'll throw open to engineers. So watch this space. गुड्डू भैया, गुड्डू भैया, गुड्डू भैया। भैया होंगे तुम्हारे। किसी ने मेरे मन की बात लिख दी है जो मैं रिपीट नहीं कर सकती यहाँ पे क्योंकि वो एक गाली है। बट acting is deeply personal, systemic process. I've forgotten I'm an actor. Honestly, in the past month, I've forgotten. Since the 8th of April, I've forgotten I'm an actor. Chalo guys, I think I've taken too much of your time. Tried to do a live with somebody who's around, but happy भाग जाएगी. Abdul Qureshi. I'll try to do more lives guys and then we can be in touch and meanwhile आपको जो भी ज़रूरत हो आप लिखते रहना. मैं 2-3 चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करना चाहती हूँ. तो वैक्सीनेशन की रजिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में, दूसरा जो चैलेंज इंजीनियर्स के लिए है साइंस चैलेंज उसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं आपसे बाद में. और तीसरा we'll slowly start building communities, networks of people in different cities who can do COVID help, COVID volunteer work. So yeah, but also wanted to say that with the science ka tech project, there's a cash prize because we don't want anyone to not be excited. So when will Inside H3 release? It was supposed to release now in May, but because of the protocol and sending everything to the head office in America, it might take a little bit longer. Reply me. I love your voice. It's so cute. Thank you. Hi there. मैम सब दूसरे के हेल्प करना होगा. यस guys, I read Hindi fast in Hindi and English fast in English. अब इंग्लिश में हिंदी मुझे नहीं पढ़नी आती. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्व्स. मास्क अप. ये एक ऐसी बीमारी है जिसको बीट करना आसान है. अगर आप घर पे रह सकते हैं तो मास्क लगा सकते हैं, तो सैनिटाइज कर सकते हैं, हाथ बराबर धोते रहिए. ये सारी सिंपल चीज़ें करिए और घर पे रहिए. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग बिकॉज फ्रेंकली अगर आप बीमार हो गए तो आपको ठीक करने के जो साधन हैं वो रोज़ धीरे धीरे श्रिंक करते जा रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, फॉर पीपल यू लव, फॉर योर ओन फैमिलीज. हैव अ गुड नाइट गाइस. बाय.